Hey guys, thanks for continuing to stay tuned into the group. Today's topic of discussion is taking care of yourself both physically and emotionally. Now you're probably wondering, what the heck does this have to do with staying organized and having a schedule? But let me just tell you that this desire to create schedules for ourselves and to just kind of take control of our daily lives did not just pop up out of the blue. That came from the need and the want to have continuous growth in all areas of our lives. And the reason we have that desire to grow is because we've been consistently doing personal development and putting our self-care first. When I started coaching with Beachbody 4 years ago, I seriously had the worst victim mentality ever. It's almost embarrassing to talk about it right now. I was depressed. I had zero confidence, no self-worth at all, and I just really felt like a huge disappointment to everyone around me. And then obviously that energy that I was giving off probably drug everyone down who was around me at that time. So anyways, with this coaching opportunity, I was forced to start working on three things. Obviously, my fitness goals and my eating habits were the first two, but then also working on my own mental and personal growth. Now, if you think that the foods that you're eating and the amount of exercise that you're getting in a week has nothing to do with your mood, you need to think again. I've been on this journey for a few years. I can tell you that when I go on a little bender of 3 or 4 days where I'm eating like crap and I'm not getting my workouts in, I am crabby. It affects my mood. So it definitely has an effect on your mindset and your overall well-being. If you were to go and Google things that successful people do every single day, I guarantee you every list that's brought up is going to say that they exercise. So you definitely need to be taking care of your physical health. But I didn't overcome my depression and get rid of my crappy mindset just from those two things. That came also, and probably more so, from doing daily personal development. Every single day, I sit down and read just 10 pages. It's really not that much, but 10 pages of some kind of personal development book. This one small little daily task has seriously changed my life. I'm no longer walking around as that victim who was constantly blaming her problems and her life on people and her circumstances. In fact, I've just completely taken control of my life and creating my life that I'm designing. It has strengthened my marriage and helped us through some difficult times. It has given me the confidence that I need to grow a successful coaching business. This small town girl who had zero confidence and zero knowledge when it comes to business is running a successful full-time business from home now. And there's no way that I would have had the mindset and the ability to do that if I wasn't reading personal development every single day. And I'm not even kidding. So if there is anything that you move forward with this week, anything that you choose to do out of all of the things that we're suggesting, this for me is number one. I really hope that you take this into consideration. Trust me, I thought it was completely hocus pocus too when they first told me that I needed to do this, but I am so happy that I didn't listen to those negative voices in my head and that I went ahead and did it anyways. It isn't about telling yourself you're not good enough and that you need to improve, which we all have things that we can work on. We definitely do, but it's not necessarily about that. It's just about reaching your fullest potential and being the best version of you for yourself, for your loved ones. So yeah, that's basically it for my video for today. Like I said, if there's anything that you do, please let it be this. It will definitely change your life. There's personal development books on confidence, emotional eating, business, your mindset, organizing and scheduling. There's plenty of personal development books out there on that, goal setting, etc., etc., etc. So I'm going to cut myself off here. If you have any feedback for me, please comment it below.